What's up? What's up? How you guys doing? This fine Monday. We do have a bank holiday today, so trying to see what time the markets close. I believe we close at 12 today. I think it's 12. Where's Finn? I don't know. I think he's asleep. You might need to wake him up, Gideon. I think today we dropped to this low. Into this open. It's a very easy target. Did you boost the server? Did you give me some boosts, Gideon? The boosts are much appreciated. Oh, that's why you're the GOAT. That's why he's the GOAT. Oh, he's awake.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, he's here.
Yeah, my camera is not working now. I don't know why.
It's all good. We can see the little emoji. We'll pretend that's your face.
Yeah. That's good.
I was looking at NQ right now. I think it just drops like to this low.
Yeah, we're not gonna make any trades, are you?
No, not today. Did you trade today?
No, of course not. The stock market is closed, so I don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
I can only make an analysis for the week, pretty much.
Yeah, we'll do an outlook and then we can see what the open does. I think we close at 12 today, no? Or is it 1?
Oh, 1
PM?
EST.
Oh, okay. Gold. Yeah, we'll look at gold. Mainly just looking at NQ right now.
NQ.
Have you traded ES at any point?
Did I trade ES?
Yeah. At any point.
Very occasionally I would take a trade on ES, but I in general never do because it takes me out on break even way more often than NQ does.
Yeah. That's true. Actually, it tends to consolidate a lot more as well.
Yeah, so, well, like usually when NQ runs,
yeah,
then the other one doesn't, so.
This should drop to this low. I think Twitter's down right now, though.
Why is Twitter down?
I'm not sure.
Is our Instagram up again?
No, I don't think so. Which is pretty unfortunate.
Yeah, don't spam trade Wiz.
We need Twitter back up.
Do you have any knowledge about you have knowledge about cameras, right?
Yeah.
What is the reason that something cannot work? Possibly because I put the streaming mode on my camera, but it still doesn't show up on StreamYard. Only shows me camo in OBS virtual, and in OBS it doesn't even show either.
Did you restart your PC?
No, should I?
It could work.
All right, should I try real quick?
Yeah, give it a go. Why not?
All right, be right back.
You have nothing to lose. But you're here to receive knowledge. Knowledge there is. I mean, if you've been there from the start of this stream, we're looking for this low to get taken out. So should go into this open. Right here. But I'm not really sure what I want to trade today. We can run an outlook. So if you guys have been following along, like last outlook on Sunday, or the one before that, I can't remember when me and Finn did it. We were bearish, right? 50% of this wick, you can go back to the stream. We said 50% of this wick should hold up. If we hold 50%, then the market should sell off, right? What did the market do? It sold off to the lows, 24,897. So once we got all of these lows, my next target is this low down here, 24,161. So we'll see if this happens, but I'm more than certain Finn has the same bias when he gets back in the stream. But we're all looking for the downside into here. If you look at gold and silver, these are two markets that I don't really like too much as they've not moved. So this huge spike lower, I kind of want to see this be the high of the year. I kind of want to see silver just make the high and then we push on to the downside. And same with gold. If you guys are trading gold, I want to see gold push lower as well. I honestly don't want to see it be bullish, like running to the upside very aggressively. I'd rather us push to the downside, trade below these lows. That would be the most ideal scenarios for me. If NQ wants to push higher though, it's this gap we can trade into and then either push to the downside or whatever. But if you're in the stream from earlier, this is the low that we're looking at for NQ to get into. Should easily be able to get into there though. Let me know if any of you are in a short. If you took the short to that low, I think the open should be able to push it lower. If not, then it's a good week today. I call 130 points on gold. Nice. Why are you still trading CFDs? You got to move on over to futures.
All right, I'm so sorry. It still doesn't work.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why.
I think I'm not sure what happened then.
I don't know either. Maybe my cam broke.
Morning, I'm here. Yeah, bro, I was watching the shorts to the low. I started streaming at like 9 a.m. with Finn. We've just been looking for this sell-off to that low. I posted it in the Discord as well, but I'm only watching the first hour, then I'm going to hop off. Yeah, we may need ChatGPT to rescue that.
Where do I go in the PC settings, Gideon? You know the classic when you had these old PCs, you would just slam the side of the PC and then it would work.
That's true. You know what you should buy? You should buy a Mac Mini.
Yeah, I want to do this Claudebot thing. Apparently, the founder of Claudebot is making a loss on it, like 10 or 20K a month.
Yeah, I mean, it does also like fully take control of your PC.
There was a Claude bot that basically bought all of Alex Hormozy's courses on someone's credit card.
Yeah, it's like a huge privacy issue right now.
Yeah, so I would wait, but it's worth to look into if you want to make a bunch of money in the future.
Yeah. Alright, if you guys are short, you followed along, then you should be in profits.
The long?
No, I'm sorry, short. Did I short?
I just
No,
don't trade on days
bank
like this
holiday.
because more often than not it goes wrong.
Yeah.
Target almost hit though. London
Yeah,
time-based
should
range low.
get into that bit.
I think the low below that will get hit as well. You're looking at 24,793.
Yeah.
The low within the fair value gap.
Yeah, potentially even lower actually.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna bet on that on a bank holiday.
Yeah. These shorts should have happened in London though. You see, this is why I don't trade. If I was trading today with my ranges as shorts, but I didn't trade because I knew I would just chop around. Even this move higher was disgusting.
More often than not, on a bank holiday, the market goes down because there's no volume.
Yeah. No, I didn't enter
They'll
this.
chop around anyway.
But you just gotta hope. I think the open might push us lower even more. If we were streaming any other day, if this was a Wednesday or a Friday or not bank holiday, that would have been in the short if you guys were there. I'll be waiting to buy instead at that level. I wouldn't want to buy here. I would only like to short into here. That was my ideal scenarios.
Look at the chat. Someone apparently kidnapped me.
Finn has been kidnapped by me. I would like to request you, Ralph. Bro, you can keep him.
What the hell?
He's asking for a free 50k, bro. In this economy?
Damn.
Like, we'll give you a free 5k, but you can't take a payout on it if you give us Finn back. That's the only way.
That sounds good.
That's the only way.
A free 5k, but no payout.
No.
Yeah, let me go, dude. Maybe that's why my camera doesn't work. It's all a setup.
It was all destined to be.
I mean, you can also just buy a funded account for like $50, so, you know.
Yeah. We're also running a special giveaway. We're running 2 giveaways today at the end of the stream, so you guys can pick your fate. I think I might move to NQ Euro Futures. You should always move to NQ. You'll love it over here. Right, that target's been hit. Who would have thought? Who would have guessed, you know?
Not me. To be fair, I would have thought that it would hit after open, but you know.
Yeah.
Because then in an ideal market, you need some kind of a retracement before we go down further. But to be fair, the lows on 24,579 also look very juicy.
Yeah, I mean, all the way down to here actually now.
Only 15 minutes into stream, I already went down.
No point even trading today. Really going to be a slow open. I mean, if you have... Yeah, unless you guys took the shorts with me before then. That's the only thing that I saw for today anyway. Now I'm going bankrupt. Lost my.
Where's Finn's face? I got kidnapped by Fundit Shubham.
Yeah,
So
he kidnapped
I'm not on
Finn.
camera right now. I don't know. My camera doesn't work. Trying to fix it, but I can't fix it.
You can get 50k. Yeah, I mean, we're running 2 giveaways today, so you guys can 2 different styles of giveaways.
Double the chances.
No, so my ideal scenarios, if you just go back to the start of the stream, I said we should short to this low. So this low is my target. Now I have no bias to the market, right? It's already
it's only
hit what I, yeah, it already hit what I would have expected and Finn would have expected. The only thing else is I would expect it to push even lower, maybe to down here. That's like the best scenarios for this market. Like going even lower. Is Twitter still down? Still down. Is yours down?
Is my Twitter down?
Yeah.
You mean that you cannot log in or what?
No, like nothing's loading.
Oh yeah, no, for me. Oh, wait, actually. No, it's not
Stock
loading.
market.
Oh wait, it is. It is loading for me, I think. Yeah,
Oh,
it is. It's working.
Yeah, stock market today I think is completely closed.
Yeah, it is. So on bank holidays where the stock market is closed, I would not recommend to trade.
Unless you either get caught up in this or it's just a very slow day.
So when do you not take a trade? When the chances are high that you start to do stupid stuff. And we don't do stupid stuff, do we?
We don't.
The way of profitability is to take less stupid trades. And if you're profitable already and want to be more profitable, take less trades. That's
yeah,
the way
the
to
thing
go.
with NQ as well, Penny, is you can trade micros. So say if you wanted to, I don't know, risk less, then you can just go onto micros. But yes, I do agree. Sometimes NQ does move like that. Or when it moves in your direction, you know, it's a very nice market.
Nice. We made the major run before the market opened. What does that tell you?
This is a quiz.
Yeah, this is, I love how you just said this is a quiz instead of answering the question.
It's a quiz for you guys.
Okay, so what does that tell you if the market has dropped like this before market open? What are we going to do after market open?
We should genuinely get a chop or not anything at all. Especially with stocks being closed. I didn't even know the whole stock market was shut today, but everything's...
Yeah.
But I thought they might have opened for the opening bell, but no. At least we got the lows. I think this low goes next. This is what you wanted as well.
Yeah, I wanted to go there, but also deeper, but that might be for later this week. If you got like a very strong trend in a week, then most likely you're going to hit the weekly extreme before or during Tuesday London Open.
Oh, this week we have FOMC as well on Wednesday.
Yeah, so it will be a little bit more easy just before Wednesday.
Yeah, like realistically, we don't have the greatest trading week today. Monday, bank holiday. Tuesday, day before FOMC. I mean, you can still trade every single day, but
I wouldn't.
you might just be prone to being in a chop. The sell-off taking liquidity. Yeah, to be honest, I would rather have been involved in the sell-off, like I was speaking about here. Selling this market to the lows was a lot better idea than buying, but we could still find a buying opportunity. There's 9 a.m.
You know what the
candle
whole
after
thing
the
is?
wick.
Even during a bank holiday, what are the chances for the market to go up? Like, what are the chances for new liquidity to go into the market? It's not high, especially when the stock market is closed and when banks don't put any positions except for their algorithms. It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah. No one's pushing the bells today. We're making the market.
Yeah, if you put like 100 contract mini NQ, you might actually move the market.
You would.
No, I'm kidding.
You would
This
make an
for-
impact. I'm not gonna lie.
No,
If you did, like
yeah,
100.
I mean, if you put like 10,000 NQ contracts, maybe you'll see a micro move.
No, you can try in Asia. In Asia, you can actually see it work.
True. This, by the way, this is for entertainment purposes only. Yeah.
You could do
Before
it at your
people
own
start
risk.
to do like 10,000 contracts on a brokerage account, you know.
Yeah, but even to try 10,000 minis, you need an account with like 15 million. And if you have an account with 15 million, then you can just buy a trade. You can buy a seat at the trading floor. You can buy your way to Wall Street.
True.
I think
But
each
then you have
seat
to do
costs
these
like
weird
10
hand
million.
signals, which they do in Wall Street. So you
Oh,
have to
yeah.
learn that as well.
That's true. To put in. That was during like the old days. I don't think it's like that anymore.
It still is, no?
They still do that in the pits.
Or is it? Yeah, in the pit. I think they still do.
Surely it's got to be more efficient nowadays.
With like phones and stuff.
Yeah.
No, maybe.
They just call up now.
That's where the whole term margin call comes from, by the way.
Does it go in
Because you
movie?
used to receive a call when your positions got liquidated. That's why margin call.
Oh, actually, it's only FOMC minutes on Wednesday. Albert just said.
So it's not that impactful or what?
Yeah, it's not.
I
Minutes really.
Do you want to play GeoGuessr after open?
Yeah, we can run it. You guys want to play GeoGuessr? I mean, I don't expect much from this open, really.
I mean,
Like,
we can
what
look
I
at it
would've-
occasionally, but
Yeah, what I would have expected was these lows, but no, your GeoGuess is messed up as well. All it shows is like Poland.
that's true. Oh, classic Europe, it says. That's why.
Oh, that's what we were on.
Can we not do the whole world?
I hope we can. They surely just have a button instead of calling you. Not most of them, not all of them swing trade. Swing trading is more for like more for hedge funds, honestly. The whole
Which is the
term
majority that's on the floors, to be fair, because I trade
Yeah.
with millions. You cannot trade with millions and millions and millions as a individual.
I can. I trade. I have 100 million just sat in a brokerage.
Bro, I just deposited on Thursday into a Tradeovate broker account, like live account.
Yeah.
Then my bank called me that they need extra verification. And before even understanding what they need from me as extra confirmation, they were like, I bet this amount is going to be debited from your account. It's going to be sent to Tradeovate. So now I don't know if it's going to land. It's not a small amount of money either.
Finn just deposited 100k to trade or trade
Into
away.
probably it's not even going to end up in my account. You trade with
Dude,
TraderRauf as well, no?
Yeah, I do, but I do everything through Ninja, so I always found it to
Right.
be easier.
Really?
Yeah.
But it's the same platform.
No, it's different. Well, I don't know. I've never logged in. The platform to trade is the same, obviously, it's TraderVate, but like the Ninja Traders interface is different. Have you ever seen it?
What?
Have you seen the Ninja Traders like brokerage interface?
I have
Go
seen
on
it, yeah.
Yeah, it's so much easier, I found, to navigate through.
I think Wall Street scalp doesn't scalp.
What exact mind shift took you from? Honestly, I don't really believe too much in the psychology aspect of trading. Like, yeah, psychology plays a big part for most people because most people just do dumb stuff. So the only thing they can blame is the mind, you know. So the main shift you have to take is finding something that works, finding your flaws, and not repeating the same thing over and over again. Obviously, if you repeat the same thing over and over again, then the problem is you. You simply are just self-sabotaging yourself. Emotional trading. So what led to that emotional trading? You know, you probably took a loss and then you took another loss and you over leveraged. So that was just you doing stupid things that you shouldn't have done. It's not your mind, it's just your fear of being perfect. I don't think anyone masters this side of emotions in trading.
I think it's just like dealing with your emotions rather than taking away the emotions, to be fair.
Yeah.
It's just not acting on them, you know?
Yeah.
Unless you've been
Like,
through a lot.
yeah, like today, if you, like, how many streams do you join and me and Finn just tell you this is the draw for today, this is the market going into? Sometimes we don't even trade it. We don't need to trade it because the winning days or the profits don't come from the times that you're always in the market. You're more prone to lose if you're within the market a lot more. So the days that you do win, you need to make sure that you're winning for like a week. Like those days, sorry, the day you win can make up for the days that you don't trade. And that's where the freedom you can make from trading. Yeah, changing your trading style is also pretty good. It's a good way to go about it. The interface to TraderVate's horrible, but once you trade there, it's pretty nice. The fills and everything's good. Like last week's stream, we took shorts, right? That's what we took shorts on Wednesday. I can't remember what we took on Friday. I think we might have shorted on Friday again. I took those on TraderVate. This was really fun for me.
There we got the open.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't even realize we opened up.
Yeah.
Yo, love you, Arnold. Thanks. Hopefully, it's been providing some good setups for you. Today, it was a bit unfortunate. We had bank holiday, so I think if the day was longer stretched, then we would have had to run lower in London, but we didn't. Eventually, we got it lower here just before, well, when we were in the stream at 9 AM. I think we do run this low. I'm not sure if we will get the long setup though. We could. This 9 a.m. candle is all one-sided. There's no wick, so maybe 10 a.m. pushes us back.
It's my first time on Guardian stream. Oh, that's crazy because today is not even a good day. So
It's my first. Oh yeah. To be honest, it's a lot more. The market's a lot better than this. Today we have a bank holiday, so it's kind of slow. Tune in with us on. Matt goes live tomorrow. Me and Finn back live on Friday, and then I'm live.
you guys
on
want to play
Wednesday.
GeoGuessr or no? I got it pulled up here.
Yeah, if you guys want to run it, then Finn can put on GeoGuessr. Because right now we are so slow.
I'm sorry, Cello Fortune. My pretty face camera doesn't work.
My time zone, I'm on UTC -5.
You're
Oh,
gonna
where do I
laugh
live?
when you see what I'm sending you on WhatsApp. I'm on GeoGuessr, and the first thing I see is this, and you're gonna need to guess in what country this is. I would have made some really damaging stuff instantly if I would see this on stream.
No,
But
you
we're
can't
not the
enter on
smartest.
Tradeovate on your phone. It's literally the. I know Matt does it, but
You
it's
can,
like the
but
hardest.
it's bad.
Yeah, it's like the hardest way to do it.
Matt does that?
Yeah.
Oh my. Look at your WhatsApp.
Bro,
This is the
where
first
is
thing I
that?
see. What do you think?
That's Israel.
I would think so.
Boring day, I know. It's look at this candle. This is the opening candle. We've barely moved. So yeah, this is what you do. History capsule. You analyze the charts on TradingView. I move on to Tradeovate and I just execute on the position. If you wanted, you could enter on like paper trading on TradingView and then copy the exact same position over to Tradeovate. That's also a pretty good move. So you know exactly what the risk is that you're losing per trade. Yo, Zero, how you doing? Very boring open today. There should be a GeoGuessr for trading.
How would that work, bro?
Guess the trading day.
Oh, that's good, yeah. But based on the what?
I'm not sure.
On the
There's gotta be
price action?
Yeah. How can you avoid possible pitfalls like over trading? You really can't. You basically need to go everything. If you go through trading with trying to avoid everything, then one day you're going to mess up, and those things that you tried to avoid so hard is going to hit you in the face and you're not going to know what to do with it. So every single obstacle, you have to take it head on and try to overcome it one by one. If you can't, then it's all going to pile up, and eventually it's going to lead to something much greater, and it's usually negative. Just here to hang out. Yeah, we're just going to play GeoGuessr in like 5 minutes. This open's so boring. Unless you guys shorted, then you should be swimming in cash. This is our final target down here.
Even if we would watch the charts right now, it wouldn't. Well, there's not much to talk about anyway. So
yeah, I did the outlook as well. I was just going over.
Yeah.
And keep pushing lower for this week. Like we should just smoke this low. We should get Ryan on the stream. We should do movie night. I can't believe he did that.
Movie night with stream.
The
Yeah.
kid is so funny.
Ryan, if you're watching this, tell us what you think about it. Ryan, let's do a movie night on our YouTube.
He would be down.
Ask
I
him.
don't think he's trading today.
No, for sure no.
Right, we're almost at that low. That 9 a.m. candle has just been one-sided to the downside.
Not even a wick at the top.
Yeah, I know. It's all one.
Dodgy, shout out to movie nights in Discord.
Movie night's a huge W.
Yeah.
What did you guys watch? He probably made you watch like Cars or something, knowing him.
No. It's a real movie.
What movie was it?
I don't know.
Just take a sell, 10 minis. 10 minis, you're doing pretty well. 40 points.
That's why the candle went down instantly.
Yeah. It should smoke this low though.
Yeah. Right. I'm gonna play GeoGuessr. I do not want to watch this price.
Type 1 if we should put GeoGuessr on. Because this is actually worse than...
They watched Kid Rock. I don't know what that is.
All we needed was one comment. Alright. Can you share your screen? Does it let you?
Yeah.
No, someone typed 2. No, we can't.
No.
We can't play GeoGuessr, bro.
Huh?
Now we can't play GeoGuessr.
Oh no. Oh yeah. I know. Oh, you actually typed 1 as well. Okay.
Okay. Now we can play. This is Finn's GeoGuessr, so...
Yeah. Wait, why is the screen like this? Why is it not bigger? Okay.
I
fine
think
like
it's
this?
good.
Does anyone recognize this language?
Yeah, this is Finland.
Finland?
Yeah.
Where?
Go like in the center.
No, this is not Finland, bro. They don't have this letter, do they?
I think they do. I'm not sure.
Huh?
I'm not sure. It could be.
IS. Oh, made in... Wait, what? .is?
No, this is Finland. Oh, we got the low hit on NQ.
Iceland. We got the low on NQ. Oh, yeah. Smoked it. Iceland. But where in Iceland? I would say here. Oh, that was actually pretty close.
That was a good guess. That was actually bang on. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this is the UK.
UK?
I'm not sure.
You recognize it immediately?
Yeah, I looked at the grey clouds.
This is your neighborhood, right?
No, it's this is not the UK. This is like Australia or something.
Don't they drive on the left side? This is not on the left side.
This is on the right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is probably Italy then. Yeah, history capsule knows.
What is this?
Oh, this is not Italian, is it?
I don't think so.
This is Sweden.
Isn't this like French or something?
Try Sweden.
I'm gonna try France. I'm sorry.
French don't drive on the right, do they?
They do. It's
Oh.
Europe.
Oh, it's somewhere in Europe, yeah. I would go. Go France. I would
Where?
go.
Somewhere countryside.
Yeah, go in the middle of nowhere.
Oh,
Oh, that was close. That was actually a very good guess.
I love how someone says Maldives. Government property.
This is probably the US.
Hawaii.
Oh, yeah.
Where is Hawaii? It's making me look bad now. Isn't it like somewhere in the middle here? Oh, yeah. Okay. So where is it?
Yeah, this is Epstein's Island.
Okay.
Do.
Oh. Wow. Honolulu.
Honolulu. Wow, indices are tanking right now.
Wow. How's your position going? 10 minis.
Those 10 minis must be printing right now.
Yeah. This must be Russia, no?
Yeah, that is Russia.
Привет. Someone casually smoking in the car here.
That's Epstein.
I think
That's
so.
where he's been hiding.
I don't even know if you're allowed to say that on stream. That was actually a pretty solid guess.
Well, we should be in the top 5 right now of geo guesses in the world.
Nah, there's this guy who like
That
what
gets
is
it
this?
instantly.
Is this UK?
This is probably the UK. This is actually the UK, yeah.
Okay, let's check some things off. Gray clouds. Driving on the left.
Yeah, this is actually the UK.
Oh yeah. The front is like where was this?
Yeah, it's the UK.
Where in the UK would you think?
This is Lagos? No, Gideon, we're not looking at your hometown right now, bro. This looks nothing like Lagos as well, bro. Bro, this is like somewhere down south. Yeah, this
Down
is the UK.
south. Where?
Go like Norwich or something.
Where is it?
Go right. A bit to the right. Near London, yeah.
Near London, like here.
Yeah, up a bit.
There?
No, go higher. Yeah, just put it in Peterborough or something.
Where's that? You call names? Oh, here.
Yeah, just put it there. Yo, we couldn't be further from the truth. At least you guys know what the UK looks like.
Oh wow,
At
actually
least-
we didn't do bad.
Oh my god, my house.
Look at here right now. Wait,
I
can
know, I'm
pull
looking
up.
at it. Someone should have sold the house. This thing's gonna sink to even this low.
Wait, I can actually. Oh yeah, you can pull it up too.
Yeah. Well, all of our targets did eventually get hit.
Yeah, except for the one that I would love to see hit later. So I would want to see us going to the 50% of the wick, and then tomorrow we can target that low probably. Depends what we do at that huge inefficiency as well on the left.
Yeah, it might just smoke.
Determine if we go lower. So we got a few inefficiencies there.
Yeah, this hourly is just gonna.
Yo, I got great news. GuardianTV is back on Instagram.
Nice, nice. Let's go. Did Sean get it back?
Yeah. He
Nice.
just texted me.
Tell him I said let's go. Yo, Sean's new picture looks pretty good.
Which one?
Stood in front of the Blue Guardian sign.
Oh, yeah, I got one too. Oh.
Oh, you took one? Bro, you should post that. I need to see it.
Yeah, I got it too. Wait.
Yo, where is my Blue Guardian merch? I got sent nothing.
You know what the thing is? If I send something from here, why does my second screen not work? Bro, today existed so many issues.
You have enough PC issues. They got banned on Insta for liking a Jew. That would be Gideon if we did get banned, bro. It might be Gideon who did that. Do you remember when his Discord got banned? Like, you know what you need to do to get your Discord banned, bro?
Probably
like, he
a
was
whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah, like you have to do the craziest stuff to get your Discord banned.
Now we're gonna retrace. You want to go back on GeoGuessr?
Yeah, we could. Or if we answer some questions, then we go on. We have 10 minutes left. Last 5 on GeoGuessr.
Last
Finish it
5
off.
or the last 5 in the chart so that we can review it.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Let's do that.
Ralph and Finn, what is one belief about trading that you had in the beginning that turned out to be completely wrong? That I thought trading more would help me earn more money.
Spitting free game. A retracement then short. Nah, honestly, bro, I don't want to trade today unless you shorted from 9 a.m.
I don't want to short that low. Does anyone recognize this man?
Add it to the stage. Can't see it.
Oh.
I don't think so. Oh no.
Does anyone recognize this man?
Does anyone know who he is?
You need to do it on GeoGuessr and everyone gets a guess at where it's at, and then the closest people get free accounts. All right.
Yeah, that's actually good. This is the UK.
Okay, let's do that. You have to be at least 700 kilometers close.
Yeah, one of the giveaway winners is gonna win it from guessing where we are in the country or on GeoGuessr. And the
Oh
other
no,
one...
this is way too easy. This one.
Oh, this is Poland. Right?
I don't think so, actually. Right, you can guess.
That's the Poland flag.
Huh?
That's the Poland flag, no?
It is. All right, where? France, where? France, where? Yo, I'm not that good at geography. You're not allowed to use Google, though, or AI, because I know some of you sneaky...
Everyone's going to use AI now, bro.
Oh, shit, did I just call us out?
Yeah, you told them to use AI.
I didn't tell them. I told them if they're very, like...
Oh, yeah, if you're very close, then you used AI.
Paris. Wait, that was actually very close. That was actually quite close. Okay, the closest one is gonna get an account. Kira, just remember this one, yeah?
Okay.
That's the closest one so far. Where are we now?
That house was pretty nice though.
Yeah. We got no signs. We got the first guess, Switzerland.
Switzerland? Yeah, whoever typed in the first guess, then we can just...
Where in Switzerland?
Someone said Austria or Norway.
Geneva. Couldn't be more wrong.
We go. That was Ireland. That looked pretty nice.
That was pretty sick, to be fair.
I did not expect that from Ireland.
This should tell you something. Where is this? Yo, Croatia. How can someone say Croatia seeing this, to be fair?
I don't know what that is.
This? I'm not gonna tell you. You have to find out yourself where this is.
This is Beijing. Macedonia. That's elite ball knowledge. Like, you actually knew that flag. Well done.
Yeah, that's why I said.
If you used AI for it, then
Where's
the
that?
closest person's been Kira
260,
8306.
Where is it?
Where is Macedonia on the map?
Yeah, bro. Wait, isn't it? Where is Kosovo?
Kosovo? I don't know. I think it's
Oh,
near Russia.
here. Wait, what? Yeah, Macedonia. Okay, where in Macedonia? North. Where?
Imagine that's just the flag for the supermarket.
Yeah. Roman. You can only do one guess, man. But where? Where in Macedonia? Should we do Skopje? Alright, fuck it.
Balkan.
That's pretty
Yeah,
accurate.
yeah, you stick.
That's pretty accurate.
That was only down the
900,
road.
900 meters.
That's pretty close, yeah.
Wait, what was the best guess so far? It was 268,
200.
right?
Yeah.
900 meters. That's crazy.
My ChatGPT is also confused.
All right, so who's Skopje? Who said Skopje? Magic UN. Said it
Oh,
first.
is he the winner? Or is Magic UN the winner?
We still have two more rounds actually, so we have to hurry up a bit. Where is this? I see one truck, so I would say it's US.
No, these are all European, though.
Huh?
Isn't it all European?
No. This is world.
Oh.
Australia? Who said Australia? All right, Australia. Where in Australia? Wait, actually, I think California is a better guess. Where in California?
Just one Oklahoma.
Huh?
No, I'm just reading the comments.
North Macedonia. Kansas. Yeah, I feel exposed now because I don't even know where Kansas is.
That's Earth. Yeah, that's a pretty good guess. Oh, NQ's pumping. I think we go back to that 9 a.m. candle. Right here.
That's Earth. That's pretty. All right. Okay, that was Canada, actually. Okay, one more. This is the last one.
Yeah, whoever gets the closest. Right now it's just Magic, UN,
This must be
Russia.
Russia or... Yeah. So, where is it? Whoever makes a comment now, that's where I'm going to go. If you're far off, that's not my fault. Russia, where Russia? Where in Russia are we? Where in Russia? I didn't say anything in Earth.
Next to Moscow.
Next to Moscow?
That island Gideon's already visited way too many times.
What? Happy?
Epstein's Island. Yeah.
I know. All right. That was the game. The one that had 200 or 900 meters. Magic UN.
Yeah, Magic UN, you are the winner of GeoGuessr. So you win a free account. Every single bank holiday will display GeoGuessr.
Yeah. Now your chart is up. Now we can do a quick review of what's happening.
Yeah. We'll do one last review, then we'll let you know about the giveaways. So today, if you were following in the stream, we were bearish, looking for the lows, this low and this low. Very easy draw. Not much we were expecting from this market. I do want to see maybe we trade back to this 9 a.m. candle. It could be later in the day, maybe into 12. I don't expect much now. You can see this is how the price action was within the open. Very slow. We are still expecting bearish price into end of the week. No major news events. I did think we had FOMC, but it's only minutes, so Wednesday we should be back to normal things. That this is just the last price move. Gold and silver barely moved at all, so I think that's about it, unless you want to go over anything on this, Finn. No, this market's pretty boring. But yeah, well done to those of you caught the shorts. I think this is a decent area to take profit, get in. So we're running two types of giveaways. I know there's not many people in here because it's a bank holiday, but we're going to run two types. So now as Magic UN won an account, we'll do another one by the end of the week. If you enter, you'll enter a raffle. If you join, I don't know, if you buy an account with the code YouTube, you get entered into a raffle. So we'll pick 3 winners with the code YouTube who gets an account. And then on top of the account you buy, we'll just give you one on top if you are a winner. So you must use the code YouTube though, so we know who's inside of the raffle. But for now, if you wanted to just go through the normal picking of the accounts, then what word should we do? Bank holiday? Or is that too much to type?
Bank holiday. You can only comment once.
You can only comment bank holiday once, and there's only one.
If I see you typing like 2 or 3 times, you're not gonna get it.
That's the only way we can pick the bank holiday. But you can enter for the other giveaway however you want. Just make sure you use YouTube so we know to enter you into the raffle. Do you want to pick the winner?
My chat froze.
You're okay, I got it.
No, it's only counting from today. So if you from today until end of the week, if you buy an account with the code YouTube, you'll be eligible for the giveaway on Friday.
Yeah, I think that is the code, right? So you get entered into the raffle. So 3 of the lucky winners will just pick you and then add you in.
All right, pick it.
Let me find it.
Close your eyes. Pick one.
Did it come up? All right.
Crazy.
The winner I got is Crazy Q6K. All right. Those are the 2 winners, Magic UN and Crazy Q6K. Hopefully you are gaining some knowledge from the streams, which is probably the most important thing, rather than just the account. They're just there to help boost your trading. But if you do want to join the raffle, you can. Friday we'll draw the winners. I will let everyone know on Wednesday as well. So enjoy today. Hopefully, if NQ gets back to the 9 a.m. open, then should set up for a nice day tomorrow. So enjoy the rest of your day and be safe, guys.
Be safe, guys. Peace out.